You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly this word that is confusing. It exists in English, it's used in English, but it's of Chinese origin, which explains why the spelling is confusing or surprising. This is the act of deep respect, kneeling and bowing, okay? It's pronounced as Kowtow, so that'd be Japanese Kowtow, Kowtow, but in English they both syllables are rhyme with cow, Tow, Kowtow. That's the English pronunciation right here, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.